So one of the things that you can do inside of VLC Media Player is also rotate out or flip out video during playback. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto Tools and then go to Effects and Filters right here. Then what you need to do is go around over here onto Video Effects. So over here, you can see that there's crop and everything else right here. But if I were to go around over here onto Geometry, then you can see that rotate is an option. So I can go ahead and click right here just like this, and I can utilize this angle to go ahead and rotate out the video as I like. So you can go ahead right here, and then you can see that you can go ahead and fully rotate it out as you want. Apart from that, apart from using the rotate tool, you can also use transform to rotate it out in certain degrees as you want right here precisely, and you can flip it out horizontally or vertically as well, or even transpose it as you can see, or anti-transpose it right here as you want. You can also go ahead and use interactive zoom as you can see right here just like this, and you can go ahead and use this while the video is being playback as well. Apart from that, you can apply the rotate on top of it all right here, and then this is what you have as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and then rotate and flip out videos as necessary inside a VLC Media Player during playback. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.